Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good evening. I hope you had a great day today. Talk about a warm day at 85 degrees. A lot of shorts and t-shirts out there today. I saw folks enjoying the warmth, but you can see we still have our south-southeast wind right now in 73 in Corpus Christi. Well, that's going to change in a big way by tomorrow morning. Here are the hazards that we'll encounter as this next Arctic front moves through. First of all, we're talking about ice. That's why we have a winter storm warning, and some roads will be slick, especially bridges and overpasses. Now, this is going to be a minimal ice event, but sometimes those are the worst kind because they can catch you off guard. You can be driving on wet road, and then all of a sudden there can be a patch of ice, especially on overpasses. So that's why this advisory's been issued. We're looking at a glaze to 1/10 of an inch of ice, slightly higher amounts possible out toward brush country. And bitterly cold wind chills too was one of the reasons the warning has been issued, because of that very cold air. That is going to be down to near 20 degrees, the feels like temperature. So by Friday morning it's going to be bitter out there, so you want to make sure you're completely bundled up. And freezing temperatures with a freeze warning in place. That means as we drop into the upper 20s inland to near freezing at the coastline, it's not a huge freeze, nothing like we saw in February this past year, but it's just cold enough to where we'll have to protect our plants, our outdoor pipes, and our pets. Okay, here's the front. You can see the difference. 28 Amarillo, 73 Corpus Christi. That is moving south. Here's the narrow band of showers we talked about yesterday. We're not going to get much rain with the front, but you can see there are a few along that boundary, and those are going to move into the coastal bend around midnight or so. Here's a look at that with our high-resolution future tracker. This is this evening. Here's that narrow band of showers near Refugio by about 10:30 tonight, and then gradually working its way along the coast by midnight. Again, we're not going to get much rain out of that, but that's going to change. Notice the temperatures, how they drop. This is tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. We're already in those 40s. Very chilly and windy tomorrow too. Then we see the moisture increasing. Winds aloft coming in from the west-southwest, overrunning the cold air at the surface, and this is the result. We're going to get the rain, periods of light rain and drizzle, picking up a bit in the afternoon and evening, and then as the temperature falls, this is tomorrow evening at 7:30, watch this area of pink. That's the wintry mix. That starts to spread over the area. Notice temperatures really aren't that much below freezing, especially to the west, just at the freezing mark, but just enough to where we could get some ice accumulation that will continue to work its way toward the coastline toward Friday morning and then gradually end. Now, if you have to do some traveling, I suggest you do it after noon on Friday. That's when temperatures will be above freezing and there won't be any problems on the roads. If you can avoid traveling in the morning Friday, that's probably a good idea because temperatures will still be near the freezing mark. And then we see that rain ending and we end up with those temperatures staying quite chilly though, even into Friday and Friday night. Ice potential, not a lot along the coast, but even a glaze is a possibility. And then you can see we're looking at a pocket of potentially a 1/4 inch of ice out in Duval County from Freer to Hebronville to Alice and even Kingsville. Now, bridges are going to be a concern because as you have the air flowing underneath overpasses and bridges, that causes them to cool faster than the actual road temperatures. That's why you can be on wet pavement and then all of a sudden run into some ice along those. So that's where you have to really be careful if you're going to be out traveling. Forecast lows Friday morning, dropping upper 20s, low 30s. The island, no problem. You'll stay above freezing. But everywhere else, you may want to protect those pipes and plants and pets. Wind chills are going to be down from 20 to 25. This is Friday morning. That wind is going to be bitter, and you'll be glad if you have your gloves and your hats on that time. So remember, freezing temperatures means you got to do the 4 Ps here, but the pipes, it's not a hard freeze. It's not going to be as bad as last February, but the outdoor sprinklers and pipes should be wrapped or let dripping. Here's your 7-day forecast then. Once all this mess moves out, we're drying out Friday night. The weekend, it's still chilly with a slight shower chance early Sunday. More showers move in Monday and again next Wednesday, Paul.
We sure do have a lot headed our way.
Yes, we do.
Oh boy, we're prepared now. Sharon, thank you.